Imagine an AI that can take a research paper or a simple text description and turn it directly into production-ready code. Sounds impossible? Well, meet DeepCode, an open-source project that's redefining the future of coding. Hey everyone. In today's video, we're diving into DeepCode, a multi-agent AI coding system developed by the HKU Data Intelligence Lab. This tool uses multiple AI agents to transform ideas into fully working applications. Whether it's a research paper, a text prompt, or a URL, DeepCode can turn it into a complete code base with tests, documentation, and even deployment-ready structure. DeepCode gives you two powerful ways to interact: CLI Interface, for advanced developers who prefer terminal workflows; Web Interface, a modern dashboard with drag and drop and visual progress tracking. Let us talk about its key features. Key features: Paper to code. Converts research paper algorithms into working code. Text to web turns plain text into full front-end web apps. Text to backend generates scalable backend code from simple text. Multi-agent workflow, specialized AI agents handle everything: document parsing, planning, indexing, and code generation. DeepCode runs on a multi-agent system. These agents work together to translate your requirements into functional code, so you don't waste time on technical details and can stay focused on innovation. Technical capabilities: research to production. Pipeline extracts algorithms from research papers and turns them into optimized implementations. Natural language code. Synthesis: you say, "I need a login system," and it generates consistent code across multiple programming languages and frameworks. Automated prototyping builds not just the back end, but also database schemas, APIs, and even front-end structures. Quality assurance runs static analysis and generates automated test cases to ensure reliable code. Code RAG system uses smart search and dependency analysis to pick the best libraries and design patterns. Multi-agent architecture: DeepCode is powered by multiple specialized agents. For example, intent understanding agent understands user requirements. Document parsing agent reads research papers and extracts algorithms. Code planning agent decides the architecture and technology stack. Code mining and indexing agents finds relevant repositories and organizes them. Code generation agent produces the final code with tests and documentation. Integration with tools: DeepCode uses the MCP protocol to connect seamlessly with external tools like Brave Search, GitHub Downloader, file system access, and execution environments. It starts with inputs like papers, documents, and requirements. Then comes orchestration, followed by document analysis, planning, reference mining, and code generation. Finally, the output is a deployment-ready code base with tests and documentation. Create a project folder. Make a new folder on your computer. You can give it any name, for example, DeepCode Project. Open in VS Code. Right-click the folder and select Open with VS Code. Open the terminal in VS Code. In the top menu, click Terminal, New Terminal. Clone the repository. In the terminal, type the following command and press Enter: git clone https github.com hcuds deepcode.git. This will download all the files from GitHub into your project folder. Make sure you have Python 3.10 plus installed on your system, and upgrade pip Python Package Manager and install the DeepCode package pip install DeepCode HKU in the terminal. Now you're ready to run DeepCode. Now open the mcp_agent.config.yaml file and add the Brave API key, and also open the mcp_agent.secrets.yaml and add the OPENAI key and also specify the base URL. Now change directory cd deepcode and type /.deepcode. Now you're ready to run DeepCode. And type your email, go to your browser and visit https://localhost:8501. DeepCode is an open agentic coding platform. Think of it as a team of AI agents. One parses documents, another extracts algorithms, others generate and verify code. You also get Text2 Web for front-end prototyping, Text2 Backend for scalable APIs, and Code RAG for global code analysis with dependency graphs. You can upload a research paper, enter a research paper URL, and you can also enter your coding requirements. Have you ever wished you could create a website just by describing it in plain English? Well, that's exactly what Text2 Web does. With Text2 Web, you don't need coding skills. You simply type something like this prompt I gave, how it works. Natural language input. You describe what you want in text. AI code generation. The system instantly writes the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Live preview. You can see your website update in real time. Customization, change colors, text, layout, or add sections by just typing commands. In short, Text2 Web is like having your own AI web developer who listens to your instructions and builds exactly what you imagine. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, just AI space